Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to speed up Gboard, which is the Google keyboard. I recently switched from Samsung keyboard to Google keyboard, so I was noticing some input lag when I was using Gboard. So in this video I'm going to show you just one settings to turn off to eliminate the input lag. So all you have to do is go to settings of your Gboard. Now scroll down and go to advanced. Here what you have to do is to turn off personalization. Adapt Gboard to your typing and voice typing usage pattern. All you have to do is turn this off. As you can see, I've turned this off already. So this is what I did, and Gboard was actually very faster. There was no input lag, no problem at all. So if this video helps you, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more helpful videos like this. Peace.